This adventure begins in Manila, paying the travel tax for locals and boarding the United Airlines flight to San Francisco, which then continues on to its onward destination in LAX.
Welcome to LA, Dunkin' Donuts. Welcome to LA. Hey guys, so we're back here in the US. We landed in San Francisco and then traveled to LA, and we're on the way to Las Vegas. This time with Julia. Welcome to the US. So we just came here to the LA airport parking lot. Am I correct? We came through the express bus, which is a free service, a free shuttle coming from the airport, all the way here to the parking lot where we rented a car via the Turo app again because it's very convenient. So as you can see in the video, it's so high-tech. We just leave their keys in the car. Oh yeah, I forgot about it. It's actually right there. Good thing I reminded you. So you just get the key. A code will be shared to you so that you can unlock that little box which holds the key. So you don't need to meet the owner of the car, and off you go. So we'll show you what we're up to in Vegas. Why?
Because we weren't able to drive through Chick-fil-A before. So tayo in and out.
Can the meal come with a milkshake? Alright. One with a milkshake, the other one with a lemonade. All good, thank you.
Sandwich, fries, Chick-fil-A sauce. Let's go. How's the Chick-fil-A sandwich so far?
Good, it's juicy.
What's your review?
Good. Very good.
Good, juicy, worth it for the
It's a little
$29.
expensive though, but for fast food.
The burger's big.
We spent $30 basically for our meal. So you got 2 meals, almost identical. I think my milkshake made it more expensive than chicken. But the milkshake's really good.
The chicken is juicy.
Yeah.
And the sauce is bomb, right?
And after that Chick-fil-A stop, we headed straight to Chino Hills to pick up our friend Jerome. Then off we were to Vegas with a stop at our favorite outlet in the middle of the desert, the Barstow Outlets. Barstow, out in the middle of nowhere, Barstow Outlets pops. Time out, coach! Time out, coach! Time out ang wallet ko, coach! So of course, as with every mandatory US road trip, you have to be able to take time to stop at the outlets that you see right next in the usual highways, because there are deals to be had in every outlet. So when you're in America and you're vacationing, you have to put into your budget outlet shopping there so that you can make the most of your road trips. So I'm just waiting for Leigh because I think she has scored a deal in Nike. So where's Nike? There's Nike. There you go. Hello. Your total is $86 for two. Yeah, for those 2 pairs.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Okay. That's a good deal, right?
Yeah, it's a good deal.
Because that's like running shoes, walking shoes, supplying.
Yeah.
Information.
So you got a shoe for Monique and a shoe for yourself.
Yeah.
Yeah. So your shoe originally was priced at what?
$160.
$160.
Yeah,
And you
yeah.
got it for.
Then it got on a discount wall for $99. Then less 30 off.
Plus the 15 off. So that's like less 45 off.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. So that's why it came out to like 2 pairs for only 87.
Nice.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, happy ka?
Yeah.
And after that mandatory stop at Barstow, we were off to another 2 to 3 hour drive in the desert of California and Nevada on our way to Las Vegas. It was a refreshing sight to see the lights of Vegas after almost a full day of flying, driving, and traveling from the city of Manila.
So we just checked in at Rio Hotel here in Las Vegas, and this is gonna be our home for the next 4 nights until we move into another room. And I want to show you how it looks like. We booked a 2 queen size room, but she upgraded us, the concierge upgraded us to the renovated rooms, and we're so happy because it's such a huge room. So I'll show you how it looks like. So it's magulo here, according to Jing. It's her closet, huge, a vanity area. There's a restroom right there. Sorry. And look how big it is. We have a full sala entertainment area. And there's Daddy, tired, driving for 5 hours all the way from Los Angeles. He might just fall asleep there. 2 queen-size beds. We all fit in here. Oh my gosh. And this is like a mini bar with nothing in it because we don't really drink. So useless for us. So why did we pay the security deposit? And look how big the queen size beds are. So comfy. And we'll see how if it's nice. Oh, so nice. There. And we'll see the view outside here in Las Vegas. Okay, all the lights because it's late. All the lights are there. Whew. Good. You'll have a good night's sleep.
We hit the sack and slept for at least a good 8 hours on those comfy Rio beds. The next morning, we had an appointment at noon on the east side of Vegas, and after which, we just spent the next few hours eating and window shopping and eating some more.
We are here right now at the Diamond Blue Ranch Plaza along Diamond Road here in Las Vegas, and it's like a commercial area in this place, much farther away from the strip, but we're here because we're trying out this popular dessert shop. They're selling donuts and we found it on TikTok. Syempre galing sa girls namin, from our girls, and we are here at St. Honore. They're actually selling couture and classic donuts, so we're here to try them out.
Saint Honore welcomed us to Vegas with a royal treat. Okay, maybe not a feast for kings, but it sure was oh so good. Yummy couture donuts and very good coffee. A stop here is definitely a must for any coffee or sugar lovers out there.
So here's the verdict for our food tasting. Here at St. Honore. We ordered 4 donuts. We ordered 3 couture donuts. Couture donut here is priced at around $6.50, and the classic donuts are priced at $4. So we ordered the Boston cream, the caramel donut, which we ordered because there's a text that says "Go Vegas Go," so it's so cute. That's why we bought it. Is it good?
Yeah, it's good. It's very rich because there's cream inside. And you said it's caramel because that's what it says there. But I think it's just good that the caramel cream inside is just subtle. Otherwise, I think it would be too much of like flavor upon flavor. So I think it's just right.
Nice, that's just right. There. So overall, I think it's good.
How about yours?
Mine is good also. The Boston cream, the cream is really good because on top of it, it's dark chocolate. So you'll see it in the video.
Yeah.
That one's good.
Yours is really good. I tried it too.
Yeah. We'll ask the others. Here's yung donuts niya. Super
Sky.
Yan. So ibig sabihin masarap.
Mine's here in the box.
Yeah.
It's big.
Strawberry and cannoli. So there, that's it. If you're here, we actually found this on TikTok, and it's a must try. A lot of people have come in here already, and their bestseller, the creme brulee, has been out since an hour ago. So that must be a bestseller.
The next day, we hit the Vegas Strip for the first time, starting off our late day with a visit to the Miracle Mile shops, scouring for any brunch places or anything that we could buy to bring back home.
And we found cinema roll. Cinema roll is here, and she is, or he is, what is this? This is so cute. What are you? Cinema roll. It's a mochi plush.
Vegas na sign.
Yeah.
Wait, is this matcha? Or metam lang?
Yeah.
No, it's...
Nikki like this. Oh my gosh. And Cinema Roll is welcoming you here in Vegas. There you go. Oh my gosh.
Wow!
Look at this. Cinema Roll's and Rio stuff. So we actually went here to the ABC store inside the Miracle Mile shop. This was recommended by a Filipino vlogger just to go here because of the cheap eats, and we're looking for some places where we can eat. We can have some cheap eats, and definitely there's like a convenience store inside, but we also saw a lot of trinkets and nice stuff and souvenir items that you can buy from the ABC store. So when you're here in the Mile shop, it's something that you can it's somewhere that you can go to if you want to buy some souvenirs for your family way back home. So I don't know who that is at the back, but that one I know. He's eating sushi, spam sushi. How's your spam sushi?
Hi. This is a travel hack. You know, this is a Vegas hack. If you're traveling on a budget in Vegas, because everything is expensive, well, almost everything is expensive, just gotta go to ABC stores where you can find 2 for $2 water. You know, because a lot of the 1 liter water bottles here cost $5 each. So if you go here, you'll find 2 for $2 bottles and spam musubi snack that's worth just $2.99. So this one's for you, Monique, because you like seaweed and spam together with rice. This is for you. So we gotta try
Oh
this.
no, I also saw a lot of Cinema Roll stuff in there, like shirts and stuff. Okay, we'll go back in. This is a Japanese restaurant here in Las Vegas, and it's a recommendation by the locals in some of the vlogs because here you have a revolving sushi and the price is not so bad. Anything that you see going around costs you $2.99, and then you can also order from the machine if you want something more special or a bigger serving. So let's try and see how it goes.
Sapporo was a pleasant surprise in the heart of Vegas. Though it won't take you to any memories of Tokyo, the food here were all fresh, tasty, reasonably priced, and served and named with such novelty. It could have entertained you for your first 15 minutes. Service was great, environment was good, parking wasn't a problem, so overall, a very good dining experience when you are in Las Vegas. Heading over to downtown Las Vegas the next morning, little did I know that I would have for breakfast one of the best cooked and prepared meals I would have in this city. It truly pays to follow the locals' recommendation, as this unassuming cafe did not disappoint. Welcome to a Merry Brunch Cafe.
Oh, that's huge. All right.
And the chorizo omelets.
Yes.
Happy.
Sports omelet for Julia. There. What is that? French toast. What?
French toast brioche
Oh.
with sausage and eggs.
And I got chorizo omelette for a change. Look at that. Look at our breakfast, so colorful. Yeah. Looks good. I hope it tastes better.
What did you order?
This is chorizo omelette.
How much?
I think 16 or 14 to $16. It's loaded. I think it's good for two.
So I ordered the French toast brioche with sausages and eggs for $18. This is the best seller here in the Merry Branch, and I think it's pretty good. So far, so good.
With that cheese.
Hey guys, so we just had our breakfast here at a Merry Brunch Cafe. We actually found this in Google because it's nominated as one of the best brunches here in Las Vegas. So we gotta try it, gotta pass for IHOP this time. And so far so good. We ordered big plates for breakfast. We had French toast, brioche with sausages and eggs, pancakes, omelets, and flavored pancakes as well, and everything is so good. I would say that this is a must-go when you're in Vegas, just for a change. And the ambiance is perfect as well. The service are very nice, so all good.
Next on Team de Armas' Vegas adventure. We explore more of the sights to see and take in on this trip. We also score some good deals and have a little fun, Vegas style. This and a whole lot more, so don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you again next time.